If you want to take a friend on your yacht without paying taxes, you need to choose a yacht that qualifies for tax exemption or deduction. There are several ways to do this, depending on your situation and goals. One way is to charter out your yacht for more than 50% of its usage, so that it qualifies as business-related. This way, you can deduct 50% of the expenses associated with the vessel, including fuel, maintenance, mooring fees, insurance, storage and repairs. You can also take advantage of the bonus depreciation benefit under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, TCJA, which allows you to write off 100% of the purchase price of your yacht in the year of purchase, if it is the first time you use it for business. This benefit applies to both new and used yachts, but it will gradually decrease after. Another way is to use your yacht as a second home, if it has a head, sleeping berth, and a galley. This way, you can deduct the interest on your loan under the mortgage interest deduction portion of the TCJA, which allows homeowners to deduct interest on loans for their first and second homes. However, this deduction is limited to loans up to $750,000, and it may not be available if you live in a state that has high income or sales taxes. A third way is to use your yacht for business transportation, if you have a legitimate reason to travel by water. This way, you can deduct the cost of your yacht under Section 179 of the Internal Revenue Code, which allows business owners to take an immediate deduction for an expense related to depreciable assets. This deduction is limited to $1,160,000 for 2023, and it is reduced by the amount the purchased property costs exceeds $2,890. To qualify for this deduction, you must use your yacht more than 50% of the time for business, and you must keep a log of your trips and expenses. As you can see, there are many factors to consider when choosing a yacht that qualifies for tax exemption or deduction. You should consult with a tax advisor who can help you find the best option for your situation and goals. Remember, owning a yacht is not only a luxury, but also a potential tax benefit. Now that you have your yacht ready, you need to invite your friend and prepare some documents for them. Here are some tips on how to do that. First, you need to choose a friend who is trustworthy and won't report you to the IRS. You don't want to get in trouble for tax evasion, do you? So pick someone who is loyal, discreet and fun to hang out with. Second, you need to invite them in a casual way. Don't make it sound like a big deal or a formal invitation.